room?
Oh, of course. I'm sorry. I don't know where I am anymore. I'm so annoyed.
Don't be annoyed.
He got on my nerves so much. I didn't even get to finish dinner. I went out to get some fresh air, and when I came back into the restaurant, he'd gone. Don't you think that's outrageous?
Yes, absolutely. But perhaps when you left the restaurant, he went back to the restaurant and he's waiting there for you because he loves you.
But I love him too. Anyway, we wouldn't have these problems if we were together all the time. I know he's here, all alone. But I'm at the other end of the world. I wonder what he's doing. I worry.
I know. He worries too. That's probably why he wants to go to the country to sort out all this worrying.
It would be so simple if only he married me.
Yeah, so simple.
It really is too stupid when two people are so in love to spend all their time apart.
Stupid.
Never mind. When we're married, it will all change. Right. Well, good night, little Roberto. What's this new pasta bag doing here?
Oh, that bag, that's mine.
Yours?
Yeah, I keep my little things in it.
How weird.
It's not illegal, is it?
Oh, no, of course not. But it's a women's bag, so see me standing there, holding my bag. That's so funny. If you don't mind, I'm going to bed.
Get some shut-eyes.
And when Bernardo gets back, tell him to come and say sorry. And tell him he's made me very unhappy.
I'll tell him if I see him.
Nothing. Good night, little Roberto.
Let me go! No, darling! I see absolutely no point in taking off to the countryside when we're so cozy here! Robert, don't you think it's ridiculous?
You know I don't have a
He
view.
agrees with me, of course.
It'll be so much
No!
fun.
I adore that sweet little bedroom. And now I'm gonna go house that!
No, but just your stubbornness. You can't make them do anything. Gabriela. At the front door, we had two choices, Gretchen or Gabriela. It's Gabriela. Oh my God! What are we gonna do? We can't keep doing this. It's gonna fall apart any minute. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm all done. You are going to do it. You started it. Be a big boy. Be a big boy. You get out there and act like a champ. Get out there and act like a champ. Take it. Take it like a man. Take it like a man. Take it. Take it like a man. This is no time for panic. This is time for resilience. A strong, aggressive front. Gabriela and Gloria are behind these doors, and any minute, Gretchen could be coming through this one. It's Gabriela!
So, you've come back, have you? How dare you? After leaving me in the middle of dinner.
Oh, you left me.
I went out to get some fresh air, and when I came back, you gone.
Just because we all got a little hysterical.
We got hysterical. You got hysterical. It's not enough to have a place of our own, a flat like this. You want to go tramping onto the country seat, just as though we're trying to hide away and make it alone.
Just please don't get so worked up.
Never mind. I don't want to hide away and make it alone. You do, I suppose, because you're ashamed of not marrying me.
No, I'm embarrassed having this little scene in front of Robert.
I'm sure he agrees with me, don't you?
I don't like to get involved in love stories.
Yeah. He said the word love. We ought to be proud of it. Tell everybody about it. Tell the whole world.
I agree with you. I absolutely agree with you. Just not so loud.
Bernard!
Bernard, not so loud!
Okay, fine. I'm going to calm down by having a bath.
No.
Why not?
Because he's having one. I am?
But surely could have one on
no.
What?
I said no.
Well, really?
He said no?
But shouldn't the little women go first?
No. Everyone has to take their turn in line.
Well, I must say, Bernardo, your friend is terribly considerate, a real gentleman, overpoweringly polite.
Gabrielle,